So a friend of mine sent me a gift for my birthday, beautiful lady. It's the Curio Silhouette. We're gonna unbox it. I have no idea. I have a notion of what it can do, but just no. So we're gonna unbox it. It cuts, it sketches, embosses, stipples, and etches. So let's open this up. So here's the Curio. We might as well take off the tape. More tape here. Here's the inputs, the start button. I guess this is forward and back, pause, the USB, and power. And here's the power and all these cables, and there's a manual in here as well. The adapter. So here we have the manual, and let's see. Step 1, check for the included items. Remove the little tabs, those green stickers we did. Number 2, install the software. Insert included Silhouette Studio CD into the CD drive of your computer. Let's do that. Alright, so this is the software, and I've definitely got to learn. Step 3 is to connect the Silhouette Curio. So let's do that. Here's our USB, the extension cord, and the adapter, and we'll connect the extension cord to the power adapter, and we'll plug it in right here. That's taken care of. So we've done the first half of step 3, and now we just got to turn this on. Press the on button. So I'm putting these pens into the tray here. I don't know what you call it yet, and I'm tightening it, and that locks these pens in there. Is that right? We'll see. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll catch you next time.